Welcome back. Once now you have downloaded the Figma in your desktop or PC, or either you are using it as a browser, whenever you will log into it, you can see this basic interface on the home screen. So I will explain you which things you can find and what things means what. So let's say the basic things. If I want to open a new design file, I'll just click on this option. It is called as new design file. If I'll click onto this, I'll get an interface where I can make different kinds of designs and prototypes for my app, website, or whatever design work you have. So this is the way. Let's say if I click on a new FigJam file. So what is FigJam? First of all, I'd like to tell you. FigJam is an online collaboration tool that is available in Figma, where you and your team can use to brainstorm and develop and organize ideas. You don't need to have any prior knowledge whenever you are using FigJam. The files are really lightweight and are easy to use, user friendly, and you can use it in Figma itself. So as of now, as you can see, there are different kinds of tools here. I have a marker, I have a ellipse tool, I have notes. I can just stick sticky notes and note it down whatever I want. There is a text option, arrows option. So a lot of options. We are going to see FigJam in detail ahead in the course. For as of now, what you need to remember is Figma has a different tool called as FigJam, which is normally used for collaboration purposes, and mainly we brainstorm there, we keep our ideas, we store them, we discuss with our teams. There are different kinds of options which make our job easy. So FigJam is a really good tool and really makes our work easy when it comes to storing ideas in the Figma. So this was FigJam. But let's say I'll have to go back to your home. You can just click on the home button. You'll get redirected again to that. Let's say if someone has sent you a fig file. So to export it or import it, you can just click here and you can find that specific file and you can download it in your PC, and then you can import that and you can run it in Figma also. So let's say another thing. You can see here there is a plus icon, right? If I'll click that, again I'll get two options, that is of new design file and new Figma file. So there are two ways to access your either if you want to make a new design file, you can directly click in the home button, or you can click on the plus button which is at the top, and then you can select what you want. You want a FigJam file or a new design file. So this works that way. So this was all about how you can open a file, what is FigJam, and how you can import a file. Now let's say about a general UI of the Figma. So in the general UI of Figma, you can see at the top there is a recently viewed. So whatever are the recently viewed files can be visible here. The next thing is shared files. Whichever files you have shared with someone will be visible here. Another thing is shared projects, like if there is a team working on this, so you can see all the projects that are being shared among yourself here. And not only this, there are different kinds of filters also available. If you want to check for a specific organization what you have done, let's say I select this. If you don't want all files, you can select design files, it will show you design files. Then there are different filters. Let's say you want to keep it alphabetically, you can keep it alphabetically. If you want it list wise, you can keep it list wise. So there are different features. On the left side you can see there is a section called as favorite files. So whichever are the files that you are going to use frequently, that can be kept here. It's easy to access and it really saves your time whenever you are working on a specific project. So no need to find that file and then open. You can just click in favorites file and open it. This section shows the teams that you are a part of. All the teams which you will be part of can be seen here. Other than that, let's say if you will click on the profile option, let's say I will click you can get different options here. Let's say if you want the theme to be light, you can just click on light and your theme will be light. There is a settings option, and this will show you which email account you are logged into right now. Let's say if I am clicking on the settings, so what all settings I have, like you can change your email ID, you can change your name, you can change your DP, the languages. If you want to increase that, you can also increase. Captions are available as a beta version as of now, but I am not using it. Libraries are the files that you are in your drafts, can be accessed from here too. Then afterwards there is a community option. So like what will your profile look like in a community, so you can manage all the stuff from there, and even you can see notification here, what all notification settings you want exactly to be. So it's like a personal choice, whatever you want you can just go through it and make modifications according to that. So this was the settings part. Then exactly in front of the profile you have a notifications button. Here in notifications button, if anyone comments on your file, there are different types of suggestion you will get, you can access them from here, and there is different option available. If you want all notification, you can see that. If you want notification from a specific team or a community that you are part of, you can even select that, then you will get comments and notification according to that. So this was notification. The next thing is, if you want to create a team, you can just click here and you can create the team. Let's say we want team called as dude. Just select that. I'll create the team. Then I'll add all the emails that I want to be added of the people whoever are working in my team. I'll just add them and I'll just click on continue, or even you can skip as of now. That is what I'm going to do. And you can start with the starter pack. No need for a professional or organizational until and unless you are working in a organization or a company that needs that. But if you are a beginner and a starter, it's fine, you can use starter pack. There will be no issues, no difficulties faced during that. So you can choose here your starter pack and you can move forward. So I'll just go back. So yeah, this is how my team will get created. So once your team is created, you can just send invite from here, and also like you can see how many members are as of now part of the team. It is only one because like I didn't add any emails to it. This was the section. And one more thing like really important is, like if I click on my profile, you can see there is a community profile thing also, right? Community profile is where like you can see people can see your profile, like what you do, what other things are you posting. But if you want to go to community, what you can do is you can just click on explore community option, then you'll get a community tab. So in this community tab now, what you will do is you can find tons and tons of inspirations here. Like when I started, I also used to look for things in community and it really helped in my journey. So I would like to suggest you all also to take full advantage of whatever things are available in community and try to learn. So first of all, in community, if I'll say, first of all, you can find inspirations. You can search for any of the, let's say if you are making some fitness app or any fitness website, you can just search for the name and you will get tons of inspiration for it. There is information about team syncs. Then you can get different design section right from the oldest to the latest one, which are right now going on in trend. You can get different visual assets. Let's say you can get icon, illustration, you want PNGs that can be used as background. Everything will be available here. Then the next thing is development process. It will give you a fair idea how development process of a website takes part. So according to that, you can design so that the development team doesn't feel any constraint or difficulties while designing it and completing the website via development. The next thing is wireframes. Like if you want to find some wireframes that you can use, so you can get different elements for using them into your wireframes. So this is that option. You can find inspiration from mobile, web, even you can find for accessibility and icons. So like whenever you will click on any one of the option, let's say I am clicking on the wireframes option, so I'll not only get design files, but it will also suggest me some of the plugins that are available. So as of now, you can see it is showing me largest wireframe kit ever built. So you can get access to it. Yeah, some of them are paid, but you can definitely find the free ones. So if you want to find the free ones, you just go here and click on the free option. So you will now get all the free options that are available for wireframing. Again, the same things work. There are different options like filters here. You can choose like figma dev mode or figma jam file, whatever you want. And you can, if you want a particular creator to be a particular creator that you want to access wireframes from, you can do that also. So this is the screen like when I clicked on wireframes. So once you have clicked on wireframes, like you can even change from here. You can click on plugins, you can get plugins whichever are related to that. You can again click on widgets, it will show you widgets whichever are available right now, and it will also show me some related tags to my search. So this was a basic thing. If I'll go back again, let's say community, yeah, so if you'll scroll down here, you can see it's like whatever is the new things that are being released in Figma can be accessed from here. So you can see there is a movie streaming app, 40+ screens. It costs $15, but the next one is totally free, where you will get a UI kit, which is a material UI design system. It's really good. And like there are different, I'm telling you, there are like lots of things that you can get access from Figma community. It is such a beautiful place. I really love it. So this was the Figma community. And let's say if you want to follow someone, let's say Rain E, I'll click on his profile. I can visit his profile. I can just click on follow here, and the info about the creator, let's say this is his website, this is his Twitter account, is available here, and you can see different resources that he has uploaded till now, and you have access to all of them. And like you can just copy your profile link from here and just general stuff. We'll go back again to community. So yeah, you can just search for, let's say if I want something related to sports, I'll say football UI. Okay, let's say what I will get. So I search for football UI. Now you can see I got different kinds of suggestions. These files are easily accessible and even editable. So I will suggest you to just go in community and search for some of the files, and just look what the people are doing differently, how they are grouping the files, how they are using colors, what is their hierarchy in the app, how they are managing stuff, how they are including PNGs, how they are including different kinds of icons in the UI to make it more engageable. So you can just see here, I got tons and tons of inspirations for my UI app. So this is how community works. Other than that, I'll again go to community. And one more thing, if you are willing to publish some of your work, you can just go in the right corner and you can click on publish. Then you will get different options. So like if you want, let's say I want this file to be published, I'll just select it, I'll go next, and I can just add a thumbnail, and I can add what is the name of the file, and I can add description about it, and I can add different kinds of tags to it also. And you can select you want the file to be previewed as a file or a prototype. So it's your wish. You can just shift between these toggle buttons here, file and prototype. So this was how in general the interface of Figma looks, and I feel that I've explained most of the part and it won't be a hassle for you now. So that was from my side. I hope so. You found it helpful. Thank you.